This is the better part of a cheap webcam. Its quality is good enough for what I want to do, however, I need a wider angle of recording. So I am going to replace the lens with a wide angle one. First I need to get into the case. I am not going to use the housing anymore, so I can be as destructive as I need to be. There we have the PCB, free from the case. Now I need to free the USB cable. A typical thing for me would be also cutting the cable. That happens more often than I like. Almost there. And done. This is not the wide angle lens, but it has similar threading. And it is much bigger than the lens already in it. To be precise, what I have is a 12mm thread. And the camera has a 7mm thread. That is not going to work. I need to create a new lens mount, one that does fit. Let's force something into existence. This is the new mount. This is close to the limit of how small my 3D printer can print. It is a very cheap printer after all. These are the lenses I am going to test on the mount before securing the wide angle one. And this is the printed mount. The old mount needs to go. It is secured with 2 screws. That is the new mount. Double check to see if there are no gaps. First one to test is a narrow angle or zoom lens. I see a bit of detail. Let's find me something to target the camera at. Each distance has its own focal point I need to find. There is much less of a problem with the wide angle lens, fortunately. Enough with that. Let's go fit the final lens. You see, much easier to get everything in frame sharp. Later I will fix the lens with a drop of glue. Thanks for watching.